Imagine earning $50 every day, just continuous payments going into your PayPal account. Sounds interesting, right? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, you will learn how to use a brand new, totally free automation bot to make $50 each day, every single day on complete autopilot. It will be working for you 24 hours a day, earning you money as you shop, sleep, go to work, or do whatever else you essentially want to do. Let's get started. You will actually need to have a PayPal account in order to start making money, since that account will essentially be the one where you will be receiving the payments. It will be used in a website that will be discussed to you in a moment. You will be able to avail of a 3-day free trial with a restricted number of actions every day, but it's more than enough to generate income. So, step number 1, you should go to cpagrip.com and register for a free account for your CPA network. After that, you should simply go to their offer tools and select a CPA offer. From there, you should first obtain the CPA offer that you'll be employing. Now, for the CPA offer, what you're actually looking for is some kind of generic giveaway that is totally free, like a Visa gift card, PayPal gift card, or Amazon gift card giveaway. Let's say you find one, for example, get a $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. Click on it, and it will be the deal you will use. Simply change the tracking domain from the default hittrackinglive.com to something older because a few of the tracking domains there do not function anymore. Therefore, you should always confirm that the one you intend to use is fully functional. Now, say you are going to choose the domain epctrack.com, you will now be able to get your affiliate link. Next, click over to ClickBank and you want to go to the Marketplace section, which can help further optimize your revenue. From there, you want to search for offers using keywords such as manifestation, since that was what we were able to prepare in this video. The first result that appears when you search it is what you will want to use. After that, all you need to do is click on Promote, obtain your affiliate link, which will be located there, and simply keep the tab open. So, you now basically have CPA Link, an affiliate connection for ClickBank, and you can now move on to step 3. Step number 3, go to heylink.me and click on Start for free there, which will prompt you to enter your Google account information. From there, look for where it will indicate tiny edit symbols, the 3 dots, and click on it, which will show change username. You're going to update that area so that it no longer says a random username and instead change it to something that will involve a giveaway or anything similar to giving away free things. One good example may be your bonus for today, and you should now be able to add other links you have opened before. The first link you want to add is the CPA link. So, copy it, get back to heylink.me, paste it in the designated area, then select Add New Link. A preview will be shown, but maybe you won't like to use the domain epctrack.com because it actually appears to be quite spammy. Simply click the pencil icon to edit it, then change the headline to something like Free for Today, enter for a chance to win random PayPal gift card. You will then be able to see a preview of how it will appear when visitors go to your website. After that, the next link will be for ClickBank. Doing the same process, copy your affiliate link and paste it in the given area and click Add New Link. If you want to change the name of the link, go to the name of the offer where you will be able to access their sales page. If you remember, you searched for manifestation on ClickBank and you will be able to see that there are multiple ways that people may be able to approach the sales page. Now, let's say the one you chose had 3. The first one is how ordinary people used manifestation to win the lottery. Simply copy and paste it on your website in heylink.me as the name of the offer. Once you are able to save it, you can further duplicate your affiliate link by clicking on Promote, create hop link, and then copy the given URL. That will be the exact same affiliate link as the one you just copied. You just need to get a different title from the sales page after you've added it in heylink.me again. So, let's say you copy Secret Method to Manifest Unlimited Health, Wealth, and Love, simply paste it on the headline of the second link you added. As a result, you will now have one free CPA offer that will pay you roughly $2.43 and one affiliate offer that will pay you about $43, but with 2 distinct approaches. Therefore, if visitors do not like, say, how ordinary people used manifestation to win the lottery, they can instead click on the other one and they will be taken to the same affiliate offer. So, let's say the universe has a funny way of leading you where you need to be. Simply repeat the process you did earlier. Since visitors don't actually see what's behind the link before they click on it, this strategy is incredibly effective. They just see the names, so basically, all 3 of the links are going to be for the same affiliate offer. As a result, when people click on all of those, for instance, They will arrive at the same affiliate offer and are more likely to actually pay attention to it. Once you are done with that, you will now see the design of your simple landing page website. From there, you will see your bonus for today for the header, then the 3 affiliate links, the universe has a funny way of leading you where you need to be, secret method to manifest unlimited health, wealth, and love, how ordinary people use manifestation, and how ordinary people use manifestation to win the lottery, which are all actually just the same affiliate offer. Then, there is also the CPA below, which is totally free and will provide you about $2.43. Pretty simple, right? Now, to further increase your earnings, you can use this cool, completely free automation bot that will work wonders for you. It is an Instagram automation bot that is basically a Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox extension. It is for a growth-based IO and is available for free. It also has a paid option, so once you start making some money, you should definitely consider paying for it. It only costs £5, which is equivalent to $5 or $6 per month, and you can potentially make a lot of money utilizing this free bot using the strategy that will be explained. Now, simply download the free bot by clicking on the download button and then head to Instagram and you will see that it is fairly similar. However, you will be able to use the bot from there since it will indicate the extension somewhere on the screen. Then, what you want to do is just go to Instagram, type in the word manifestation, and you will want to find a page that mostly revolves around it since the website you made is primarily about manifestation, and there's a good reason for that. Let's say you use the account Manifestation Positive with 148,000 followers as an example. There are many of these videos that say, in 12 minutes you'll get a good news after hearing this sound. Use it, save it, don't risk the skip, type yes to affirm. There are a lot of those different messages informing people they would hear good news soon in the form of videos or texts on the page. The funny thing is, many individuals actually respond to those posts. They believe them. Therefore, you can easily direct them to your landing page that is about a manifestation product because all of those individuals who believe the posts and comment, hoping for positive things to happen to them. As a result, you can send them the CPA or affiliate offer on your heylink.me since it is within the manifestation niche. All you have to do at this point is go to the Instagram page, Manifestation Positive, click on the growthbiz.io extension that you downloaded, and a tool will be made available. One method you can do is to use the feature that lets you only follow users who like certain posts. How? Simply add a link on the bio to the extension and choose User Likes. From there, you will now follow those who are interacting with those posts. There are actually a few individuals that genuinely believe and like those kinds of manifestation posts. Take advantage of that with your website. An interesting alternative is to simply use the comment automation. All you have to do is click Enter Comments on the extension, select Short Codes and Comment Configuration, and then add a comment. This will automatically comment on the profile that will like the article, which will be done by a bot. Since you can add multiple comments, you should indicate the comment title as, say, comment number 1, for example. Let's say the comment will read, "Here are your awesome news. Check out the link in my bio. Let me know what you think." Then simply click Save. Easy. Once you have configured the bot, you need to check if the settings have been applied. So, just go back to the website and configure the comment automation of the bot to be leaving comments on the profiles of those who are liking and commenting on the article. The bot will now go through various posts, look at who likes and comments on it, and it will then reply. That's the automation bot that can earn you money each day on full autopilot that you can just leave and go about your daily life. Pretty simple, right? Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!